guys, I'm Robin from Rainbow Gardens, and today we are here with Two Hose Gardening. They just finished a class with us. They actually have come and done several classes with us. This is Becca and Christy, and they're going to tell us just a little bit about their philosophies and principles and what kind of services they offer. So thank you so much. I will hand this to you.
Hi, I am Christy with Two Hose Gardening. So in a nutshell, our philosophies on gardening and tending to the land is to try to keep it as natural and regenerative as possible. We try to think about the effects of our practices and the long-term production and elements that our spaces can bring to your environment. And we try to do things as biodynamically with the moon. And today we did a class on fermentation and biodynamics.
We talked about biodynamics in the garden, and so we did an example on how to make dandelion green manure. So this is the end product of your green manure. All you do is take your weed, put it in a jar, and cover it with water, and then strain it out after about 3 days or 2 weeks. And you have your biodynamically fertilized
Yumminess.
water.
We also like to do anything that we possibly can to encourage you and give you the confidence and motivation to get your own space growing, whether that's an apartment patio and you want some flowers, or you want a little like salsa garden in your patio, and that could be as big as like ranch farm space.
Rain gardens.
Rain gardens. We love to do some
Pollinator gardens, saws, water saver gardens.
You dream it, we can help build it.